Why didn't the stars appear in the photos of NASA's moon missions? All astronauts that have walked on the moon have done so during the lunar daytime. The moon's surface was very bright, and that huge nearby star we call the sun was looking like a giant spotlight right over their heads. On the moon, during the daytime, even though the sky is black, there is so much light coming from the surface of the moon and the sun above that your eyes can't adjust to the dark to see the faint stars. No camera or person could see stars in those conditions.